Wait. Where are you going? Who are you? There is no way to go.
I am going to market to sell broken wheat.
Okay, can you give me one pack?
Sure, you can take it.
Oh, thank you. Please wait 1 minute. I can clear it and take the pack. Thank you so much for giving the pack. I will take it. You can go now. Thank you.
What is this, friend?
This is broken meat. We will make some sweet with this. Come, dear.
Wow, this looking so yummy. Thank you so much. And viewers, please subscribe our channel. Take care.